Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 23rd of September. The weather has definitely taken a turn today. It is raining and miserable out there. We are heading to New Plymouth today. The four boys are booked in for haircuts. Hey Colton, be good? Have a trim up? So that's the plan. At least we'll be out of the weather in the car most of the time. Your eyes, how's your ankle today?
Sore.
You keep forgetting to limp though. Looks like it's come right. Right, you ready?
Yes.
Everything organised?
One, two. Where's the little one? Where's the little one? The littlest. Come on, Harley.
Not on the lawn, through the concrete. Go.
What?
It is raining alright. Well, we've made it to New Plymouth. The rain has got worse. Just consistently steady now.
No.
We're taking the kids in for their haircuts in about 2 or 3 minutes.
We ready?
I'm stuck. Yes.
Whoa, that's a river running down there. How do you know we're going there?
Right, Colton, you next. Wait, Harley, come back.
Caitlin's gonna go crazy. She likes my hair.
Oh no.
You guys have got beautiful hair.
Feel better?
Yeah, better.
Look different.
Yeah, looks good.
Right. Finn's turn. You're definitely not sitting still.
There we go.
Feel better? Oh no. You going down to the van?
Eight. So basically the same as them. I'll just get you to wiggle forward. Just sit right in the middle of the chair. Will it better, Harley?
He doesn't
Feel
know.
better.
He doesn't know.
Here we are.
Way better.
No worries.
Well, haircuts are done. Everything come out pretty good. Now it's got to defrost the, no, demist the van because it's all steamed up. Defog it. Then we're going to get some lunch, are we?
At McDonald.
At McDonald's.
Rightio. Need a battery swap in this and we're off. Right, to Noel Leemings for a new card reader. Ready?
Ready?
Not really. Subway?
Yeah.
Lunch sorted.
Yeah.
Right, kids lunch. Right, go and have our lunch while the kids finish theirs. Got a Subway for us, Macca's for you guys as usual. Phil, what's on your face?
Where's my cards?
Did you not bring your cards out?
Cards?
Oh, you got
my
them.
cards?
Right, back to supermarket. Got to pick up a few things for the dinner tonight. Is that right?
Harley swap.
And then home. Back at New World. Slippery. Right, that's everything picked up for the neighbour and what we needed. We're off.
Yeah.
Let's go, because it's cold and wet.
It is cold now.
Well, we made it. Haircuts done, lunch done. Other than that, uneventful trip to town. Rain, 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 rain. What's the time? It's quite late afternoon, very long trip. Gonna get this van unloaded now, get the kids inside, then we're going out to the neighbours for dinner.